Hello everyone, it's me Sudeep from New Learners, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can create this website completely ad free. Yes, completely ad free. I'm going to teach you how you can create this type of website in Blogger and WordPress both. If you want the source code, then you can go on description or comment section where I have pinned a comment from where you can join my Telegram group and download the script. If you doesn't have Telegram account, don't worry, I will provide a website link from where you can download this source code for completely free. Okay, before starting the video, if you are new in our channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. If you press the bell icon, you will get notification like this. Okay, once you have downloaded the script, you will get the file in zip format. You first need to unzip the file. Okay, let's unzip the file. Once the file is unzipped, go inside the file and finally you get these two files. First, let's create this website in Blogger, then we will create this website on WordPress or any other website. Okay, to create this website in Blogger, first you need to go on Blogger, then create a new vlog, give it a name. Let me give it a name like HTML to XML. Next, now here you need to enter the URL of your website and click on save. After that, go on theme, scroll down and select this simple vlog theme and click on apply and click on got it. After that, you can open your website in new tab and here you can see this is our website right now. Now let's convert this website into this. For that, you just need to click on this drag menu, click on it. Now here, click on switch to first generation, click on this and click on switch without a backup. After that, click on edit HTML and here first delete this all file. Now go here where you have downloaded the file, open this file in a notepad or any other platform from where you can view the code. After that, copy this. Now go on Blogger and paste the code here. After that, click on save and let's refresh our website. And here you can see our website has been converted into this website. But here you can see it is displaying this Blogger templates or bar. Now let's remove this bar and make it like this. To do this, go on Blogger, let's go on back. After that, click on this and click on change nav bar. Now here, make sure you click on off and save. After that, now refresh your site and finally the website is ready. Now if you want to change the details here, then you can just change the file from clicking on this edit HTML and by changing some text here. For example, I want to change the contact us form emails. Then scroll down Then here you can see mail to this email. Now you can just change these emails from here and here. After that, this will be changed. I hope I doesn't need to teach this to you. So let's move on next step, which is WordPress. Now go on your cPanel, click on File Manager and select the domain. Here click on Upload and select the file which you have downloaded. Only select this index file, then click on Open, and once it is uploaded successfully, go back and open your website in new window. Then here you can see your website is completely ready. Now if you want to edit some details here, you can just go back to your cPanel, click on this file, right click on it, then click on edit icon, then again click on edit, and from here you can edit anything which are displayed here. Thank you for watching this video. In next video I am going to provide you another source code. For that you can just subscribe our channel so you will never miss any new update. Also, if you have any question, you can just leave a comment. I will reply to your comment soon. Stay safe, stay healthy. Love from new learners.